Hello, welcome back to Doc. We are going to look at an interesting question, and that is the binary operation is defined on the set of real numbers R by A operation B is giving you A times B squared minus 3A. We are using this operation to evaluate square root of 3 operation square root of 2. Then the second question says, use that to identify the identity element under the operation. This is a very likely question and very simple questions to look at when practicing for your examination. Now the first thing is to substitute the given expression into the operation given. So in this case, you have to find each of the term which they are representing. Now, the square root of 3 is representing the A, and the square root of 2 represents your B. So we are saying that in that case, it is A times B squared. So A is square root of 3. Then the B is square root of 2 squared. So you need to square minus. So minus 3A. What is your A? That is square root of 3. Simplifying, you are going to have A squared or square root of 2 squared is going to be the 3 square root of 3, and this is going to give you 2. That is, the root cancels. Minus 3 square root of 3. So 2 times root 3 is going to give you 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3. When you simplify this, 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3 will give you what? We're going to have minus root 3. Now the next question wanted us to find the identity element. In this case, there is one property that you should look at. Now the property of an identity element is saying that A operation, the identity element represented as E is equal to A. So now we are going to use this property in the substitution of the given operation. So A, now what you have to know here is that the B is now replacing the E, which is the identity element. So as you substitute this expression into this identity element, you now make the identity element the subject. So that is the target. So from here, I'm going to have A times E squared minus 3 times A is equal to A. So from here, you realize that you are supposed to simplify the given expression in the substitution of the given operation. So A, now what you have to know here is that the B is now replacing the E, which is the identity element. So as you substitute this expression into this identity element, you now make the identity element the subject. So that is the target. So from here, I'm going to have A times E squared minus 3 times A is equal to A. So from here, you realize that you are supposed to simplify the given expression. You are going to substitute it as we've done here. Then we are going to make E the subject. So AE squared, you move this to the other side. A then plus 3A, giving you AE squared is equal to 4A. Now let's do the simplification. We can divide through by A. So I'm going to have AE squared over A is equal to 4A over A. And that cancel each. You cancel each of the A's. Then you have E squared is equal to 4. Now what is E? E is going to be the square root of 4. So E equal to square root of 4 is going to be 2. See you.